Find the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Yeah. Answer. First, you take this. No. Before that, there is a formula. I will write it. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Okay. Now see, off is there, no? This I will take as x. Only 1 by 2. Minus is separate. For 1 by 2 I will take as x. Okay. Now substitute this x value 1 by 2 here in this. So cos inverse of minus x, in place of x 1 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x, in place of x 1 by 2. Now I will keep this as it is here. I will just proceed because we want this. I will put equal sign in the next step. Pi minus. Okay. Now we need to find this cos inverse of 1 by 2. So we have, see, cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now cos is the function. It is a function. So we move this to this side, right side. Okay. So before moving, write this pi by 3 is equal to, see, since cos is the function, when this is moved to this side, cos will become cos inverse. Cos inverse of this 1 by 2. Yeah. Actually equal sign should be in one line because of the space I will write here. Okay, so pi by 3, when this cos is moved to this side, it will become cos inverse, and this 1 by 2 as it is. Now you can see here equal sign is there. So pi by 3 is equal to this, or cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. So in place of cos inverse of 1 by 2, in place of this, I will write this pi by 3. Okay. So from this, cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. So in place of this cos inverse of 1 by 2, I am going to write this pi by 3. Okay. So next step. Next, see here nothing means 1 is there. Okay. So only pi means divided by 1 is there. Okay. Now these are the denominators 1 and 3. Okay. Now LCM of this 1 and 3 is what? It is 3. If you want how to find LCM, I have already made a video. Okay, it comes on the top of the screen, you can check that. So now I will directly I will just write LCM of this 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. I will write 3 here. Put line like this. Now if we divide this 3 by 1, what you will get? First I will write 3 here. If we divide this 3, I have written here 3 divided by this 1, what you will get? This one I will write here. So 1 1s are 1 3s are. So we get 3. So when you divide this 3 by 1, we get 3. Now multiply this 3 with this numerator. Because we divided this by this denominator. So whatever the result we get, we have to multiply this with this numerator. So 3 into 5, what you will get? 3 pi. Okay. Next minus, keep as it is. Next write this here separately. And now divide this 3 by this denominator. What is this denominator? 3. So 3 by this 3. This 3, this 3. Okay. We are going to divide this 3 by this 3. So what you will get? 3 1s are 3 1s. That is equal to 1. Okay. So when we divide this by this denominator, we got 1. Now we have to multiply this 1 with this numerator pi. So 1 into pi, it's pi only. 5. Okay. So next step, 3 pi minus 5 is what? 2 pi. 3 pi minus 5 is 2 pi divided by and this 3. So this is left hand side. Write this here. Cos inverse of minus of. After finding this, you have to identify whether this is in the range of this cos inverse function. So I will write range. So this you have to remember, the range of cos inverse function is 0, 5. This is the range of this cos inverse function. Range means what? The values, whatever the values are angles. Okay, angles we get, so those will be between 0 and 5, including 0 and 5, between 0 and 5. Okay, see, the values of the angles of cos inverse function will be always between 0 and 5, including 0 and 5. Okay, so this is the range. Now we check this whether 2 pi by 3 lies in the range. Yes, it is. See, 2 pi by 3 always comes between 0 and 5. This 2 pi by 3 is greater than 0, less than this pi. Okay, this 0 I have written here, this pi I have written here. See, 2 pi by 3 lies between 0 and 5, and this 2 pi by 3 is in the range of cos inverse function. So that is called, so this is the principal value. What you mean by principal value? If the cos inverse function value lies in the range, lies within the range, then it is called principal value. See, this 2 pi by 3 is in the range only, is in the range of cos inverse, that is between 0 and 5. So that's why this 2 pi by 3 is called a principal value, because that lies in the range only, in the range of cos inverse function. It does not go beyond the range of cos inverse. That's the meaning of principal value. Principal value is the value that lies within the range only. Okay. So since this 2 pi by 3 lies in the range, now this is the answer. So cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. So that is the question. Find the principal value of this cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So we got the answer. Hey, thank you. Click on subscribe.